How to resolve incorrect password error in ChatGPT. Hi guys, let's get started. If you're getting an incorrect password error in ChatGPT, here are a few steps that you can follow to resolve the issue. The first and basic thing is to make sure that you're entering the correct password. Double check the spelling and make sure that caps lock is not on. And now if you realize that you have forgotten your password, then click on the forgot password option just under the password box. And now follow the instruction to reset it. Enter email address. Now a reset password link would be sent to the following email. Open up your mailbox. And now click on reset password button. Now enter your new password. Re-enter your new password to confirm, and finally select reset password to confirm. And with this, your password would be changed and now you can easily log in by entering the new password. Although if the issue still persists, contact ChatGPT support for further assistance. They may be able to help you resolve the issue or reset your password. So yeah, that's it. So this was a tutorial on how to resolve incorrect password error in ChatGPT. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.